Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the movie called Vedalam, and this is intro scene.
Yes, so we have Ajit sir here, and it is a very well requested video. So here it is for you guys,
Yes.
to all the Tala Ajit lovers.
Yes.
So we are also very much excited because Ajit sir, when he comes with a lot of action and good looks.
Yes.
Okay, that is the
And,
main thing.
And also we have subtitles here,
Yes.
so it
So it
will
will
be
be
very
easy.
easy for us to understand.
Correct. So let's get
I
started.
think
We are very much
intro scene
excited.
there will be a lot of funny kind of scene. I think so.
Oh, is it? Vedalam, we have already done the
Yes,
trailer
trailer.
reaction, right? And that was very promising. We have
Yes.
already given our reaction. If you have not checked yet, just go and check. So now let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification
Yes.
bell. So chalo, let's get started.
Kolkata, Howrah station.
Oh God.
Okay, train has come. Hey, you.
Lucky knife. Oh, there.
There are rooms.
2:30 model.
Commerce. Chatterjee.
His name is Rajendran. His name.
A real name also.
Real name also. Arey. Oh.
Okay, here is the entry scene, I think.
Entry scene.
This one.
Oh my God, his smile is killing, man.
Lucky knife.
கல்கத்தா காலியை கூலி ஆகிட்டாப்லையே நான் யார் தெரியுமா தெரியல கல்கத்தா காலி மொத்த கல்கத்தாவுக்கும் என்ன தெரியும் எனக்கு மொத்த கல்கத்தாவும் தெரியும் ஐயோ
You know him?
No, I don't know him. Okay, sister.
புதுவில் எப்படி அட்ரஸ் கேட்டல இந்த அண்ணனுக்கு மொத்த கல்கத்தா தெரியும் இந்த அட்ரஸ் எங்க இருக்கு பார்த்து சொல்லு என்னடா இது டார்கெட் மிஸ் ஆகுது வாங்க போலாம்
Target is
தங்கச்சி வரைஞ்சதுன்னு ரொம்ப முக்கியம் நீங்க அப்படியே ஸ்டேடியம் அப்படியே வரைஞ்சிடும்
She can draw you.
இல்லையா என்ன பார்த்தா உனக்கு எப்படி தெரியுது உங்களுக்கு என்ன பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கீங்க
Beautiful now gone. He's mad now. That is awesome,
He
right?
sees some flowers and all okay mirrors all
Okay.
over.
Yeah, it's a lovely. See his expression.
Where do you need to go? I'll give you a lift.
Howrah
Okay,
Bridge.
Howrah Bridge. कितना दिन हो गया गए नहीं है ना.
Hmm.
Don't know, due to corona, don't know when we will go. Okay. This is the address.
Yeah. Something is going on. Durga Puja or what? Or Kali Puja?
Don't know.
அண்ணனுக்கு தம்பி தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லலாமா ஓப்பா கணேஷ் போயிட்டோம் வரேங்க கொலகார காரியம்
Specs?
குழந்தை காரியம் ஆகிட்டாப்லையே வாட் ஹேப்பன் சட்டர்ஜி யா
His name is Chatterjee.
பொன்முஞ்சம் நினைக்குமா ஆனா எங்க ஆத்தா என்ற குழந்தைய தாலாட்டு பாடும்போது கூட காக்கா காளி
You crow like.
கருப்பு காளின்னா பாடுவாங்க
Dark Kali.
தம்பி
After that, when he called him beautiful, and
He was totally mad.
எல்லாரும் என்னை பார்த்து பயப்படுவாங்க இல்ல எதுக்கு மோதுவாங்க ஆனா தம்பி அவன் உண்டு அவன் வேலை உண்டுன்னு இருக்கான்
But this guy mind his own business.
ஹியூமன் பீயிங்கா மதிச்சான்
He treated me like a human being.
போட்டோவை ஸ்கிரீன் சேவரா வச்சுக்கோ என்ன கல்கத்தாவில் இது ஒரு சேவ் பண்ணு.
சரி வரேன்.
சரி கணேஷ் ஒரு தடவை சிரிச்சிட்டு போப்பா.
Wow.
Bring our car.
Smile. Ganesh Puja.
Okay, Ganesh Puja. That is awesome.
This is that movie where the girl was caught and they will draw.
Okay.
She only will tell the, she will draw only on something like that. We have done that fight scene already.
Yes. Hospital scene, you can say.
Hospital scene, yeah, I think. It's very fun.
Yeah.
மேல் போர்ஷனை காலி பண்ணி வச்சுட்டேன். ஆமா என்ன விஷயமா நீங்க கொல்கத்தா வந்திருக்கீங்க? தங்கச்சி காலேஜ் பார்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் டிசைன்ஸ் சேர்க்கணும். ஓஹோ
Arts and designs, yeah.
அண்ணாமலையாரே.
Art college.
So big home. Okay.
Earlier Kolkata, this kind of
yeah.
windows are there. Now also it's there, but not that much.
But this is great view from our balcony. She can watch that Howrah Bridge.
Yeah.
ஓ தங்கச்சியோட விருப்பம் தான் அண்ணா விருப்பம்னு சொல்லுங்க.
பெரிய சோஃபா போட்டு உட்கார்றேன்.
சூப்பர். இந்த சோஃபால உட்கார்ந்து ஜம்முனு படம் பார்த்த மாதிரி அந்த செவுத்துல ஒரு டிவியை பாரு.
ஐயோ சார் டிவி பார்க்கணும். 65 inches LED TV.
LED TV. 65.
டபுள் டோர் ஃப்ரிட்ஜ் வச்சா நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Double door refrigerator.
தம்பி கணேஷ் ஏசியை மறந்துட்டியாப்பா?
சூப்பர் ஐடியாண்ணே. ஒரு 2 டன் ஏசியை வாங்கி நடு ஹால்ல மாட்டோம்.
ஒரு ஏசி என்னன்னா 4 ஏசி வாங்கிடலாம். நீங்க வாங்க ஆண்டி.
4 AC.
இந்த பை எடுத்து பின்னாடி வைப்பா. இங்க ஒரு வாஷிங் மிஷின். அங்க ஒரு பெரிய வால்.
எல்லாம் வாங்கிக்கலாமா? நீ ரெடியா காலேஜுக்கு போ.
சரிண்ணே.
கணேசா லிஸ்ட் பெருசா இருக்கு. இந்த பெட்டி ஃபுல்லா பணம் தானே. தங்கச்சி ஆசைப்பட்டுச்சு. சம்பாரிச்சுக்கலாம்.
சம்பாரிச்சுக்கலாம்.
You will earn. Don't have job.
எடுக்கலாம்.
I'll find one.
அப்ப பெங்காலி பாஷை
கத்துக்கலாம்.
கத்துக்கலாமா? தம்பி கணேசா தங்கச்சியோட கொல்கத்தாவுக்கு பெருங்கையோட விஜயம் புரிஞ்சிருக்கேன். எந்த திட்டம் இல்லாம அப்படித்தானே?
அண்ணே திட்டம் போட்டு நடக்கிறவங்களுக்கு அவன் மட்டுமே தண்ணு. எந்த திட்டமும் இல்லாம இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு அந்த ஆண்டவனே தண்ணு.
Nice.
Wow.
So that is not very difficult in Kolkata to find a job or to live life because things are very cheap over
Yes.
there. Okay, so
It's not too much costly.
It is not
so
too much
I can
costly.
with whatever you are earning, like a little bit also, like 5-6K or 10K also, if you are earning, you can survive in
yes,
Kolkata.
in a good way.
Yeah.
Okay, in a very better way, you can say. Okay.
Yes.
So yes, that was a very very good scene, right? Bonding between father and sister, and as well as the first comedy scene.
Right, that is the intro scene,
Rajendran
you can
Wala.
say.
That was very
that was
cool.
hilarious. Too much hilarious. And we
He
loved
was
it.
the goon, but Ajit
The
sir
way
was
he-
behaving like he is a coolie, something like that. Like coolie can carry the baggage and everything, and can give them lift to
Yeah.
where they
Earlier
want to
he
go.
thought like that only,
Earlier
and
he
then,
was thinking
and that
like that.
his expression was Rajendra expression was superb.
Wow,
His
he's
expression was-
beautiful. After that, he was like, seeing mirrors all over. It was very hilarious. Very good
Yeah.
scene. Okay,
Like, of course we love it, and
yeah.
it was in English subtitles, so
understood
we
each
loved
and
it.
everything. Yeah, that is very easy to see or watch the scenes with subtitles so that we can understand each and every line, what
And
is
after-
going on actually.
And after long time,
Everything.
we have seen Howrah Bridge also.
Howrah Bridge also, yes, and also the Ganesh Puja.
Yeah.
So yes, it is also true that in the Gali Mohalla of Kolkata, what puja it is, whatever
Everything,
puja
every
is, it is
puja.
like Ganesh Puja or Kartik Puja or Durga Puja, Kali Puja. Every time like crowd will be there, and
Yes.
this way only they will by the rope and everything they will drag and they will set up the pratima,
Yes.
the idol.
In South, we see that mostly they prefer Ganesh Puja,
Ganesh
but
Puja.
In North, if you go, every puja you will see.
Every puja, every kind of
every
puja.
Lord Puja you will be able to see. Either it's Hindu or any other
Any
religion.
other religion, yes. That is the main bonding of Kolkata. You can say that pujas will be happening a lot in
Yes.
Kolkata, and every time each and every mohalla or gully is filled with lights and musics, whatnot.
Right.
So people will feel like, okay, every time occasion is going on, each and every gully mohalla. Okay, so that is a very fun thing which
We miss
currently
here in
miss here in
Bangalore.
Bangalore, because here everybody is so reserved and
Too
only
much serious about
serious,
their job
yes,
itself. Everybody, every time we go out,
True.
people are running for their job itself.
Running for their
Nothing
job.
extra entertainment here.
Yes, yes. So only Ganesh Puja is here.
Yes, mostly, but
mostly you can
Shivratri
say
and all it happens.
Shivratri and-
Deepavali is also happen, but that also.
Deepavali is not that much. I think
Ah.
Ganesh Puja is the only thing which I see over 6 years or 7 years. Only Ganesh Puja is happening a lot.
Yeah, but Deepavali is also, we heard a lot of crackers bursting and all this.
That's
We
true.
heard a lot.
Heard
But
a
yes,
lot, yeah.
North we have everything.
Everything.
Yes.
So yes, this scene was like very super cool, and I am very much eager that will Ajit sir speak Bengali in this movie?
I don't
Because
know.
it is in Kolkata, so might be he is speaking in Bengali. We will search that. If it is if it is there, you can let us know. We will definitely like to give a reaction
Yes.
on that, because it's very fun to watch that somebody is talking in your own mother language. So it is very cool to hear that.
I think he might speak some word of
Some of the
Bengali
words.
or some word of Hindi.
Yeah, maybe.
I think so.
So I really enjoyed this, scene, and it is seeming to be very, family kind of content,
Yes.
right? With little bit, romance, a little bit, love between the brother and sister, and also a little bit action will be there.
And it was really a great concept, you can say. A
Yes.
brother is taking sole responsibility and bringing his sister to Kolkata
To
for
Kolkata
studies.
Yeah. Art college, right?
Yeah, right.
Yes, we have seen that scene where she was only drawing the picture of her brother,
I think
and
that
then the goon
scene
will
was there in
understand.
Kolkata itself. Whatever we have given reaction.
In hospital, that
Hospital
scene,
scene, that was Kolkata scene.
Kolkata
only, I
scene
think so.
only. Yes.
Yes.
I think that we have mentioned also that it is the Kolkata scene.
Okay,
I think the shooting has been
didn't
done
remember
in
before
maybe
because we did long ago. Yes.
long ago. Yes. So it is seeming to be very good movie, and I think it's there. No,
Yes.
Hindi dubbed is there, so we can definitely
think so.
search and can see the movie and give our reaction on that,
Yes.
because we are really looking forward to see some good content. Family kind of content is always preferable to us.
Right.
Okay, we really enjoyed this kind of movie.
Yes.
So yes, this is what for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Kamalnath Jayashankar, and he's commenting on Narkonda Parvai action sequence making video, and he's commenting every actors in Tamil industry are praying to work with him. He will start his shoot by saying good morning to each and every people. He is like a god for us, his fans. So wow, that is very good actually. In the shooting location also, he start his day with
Yes.
saying good morning to everyone, like
But
greeting people.
Great gesture.
A great,
you can say.
great gesture. Yeah. That is very good. When we also go to office, sometimes we tell good morning to each and every employees, like surrounding us.
At least
That is a very
it
good
makes
motivational thing.
feel us like we are connected with the people.
Positivity, yes.
Yes.
Definitely. So that is very cool actually, and yes, he is the god for his fan, and he is a super personality. So no doubt about it. And thank you so much, Kamalnath, for watching and for commenting on our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Yasser Ali, and he is commenting his
He's
he is
commenting
writing
on.
his. ठीक है सर. So the second comment for today is from Yasir Ali, and he is writing his comment on 41 years of Mohanlal Akka reaction. So he is saying that his movie Guru nominated for Oscar award, that kind of legend he was, and also he didn't use any dupes for the action on his actions.
Wow.
Okay, wow. So
That is
Mohanlal sir
superb.
is
Mohanlal sir
awesome,
is
and,
a awesome
and
actor.
seriously, we didn't knew that Guru went for Oscar award.
My goodness,
Yeah,
we didn't know that.
Getting nomination also, it's very
It's
tough.
very tough, and it is a very prestigious
Right.
thing. Okay, so we salute him for that, and
Yes.
he is super personality. He's a super actor, and we are very, very proud of him.
That's true.
Okay, being an Indian.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Yasser Ali, for sharing this information with us. We didn't know that, but it is very cool to know, right?
Yes,
This kind
it
of
makes
information.
makes us also proud.
Proud that yes, we have done reaction on this personality,
A legend, you can say.
legend you can say. So yes, definitely thank you so much, Yasir, for commenting and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Farooq Basa, and he is commenting, thank you Mr. and Mrs. Pandit ji for your much awaited movie Theri. Enjoyed a lot your reaction. Please go watch and do many movies of Talapati Vijay. Pour your reviews soon. And he is
so-
commenting on Theri full movie review.
Yes.
So yes, actually we have seen a couple of movies, and we have a plan to give each and every reactions
Yes.
of each and every
Yes, of
movies.
course. So we are regularly
Ah.
means mostly in weekend, because
Weekend.
weekdays we are having our
it's not
offices.
possible.
So
Ah.
mostly in weekend weekend we used to watch a movie either
Yes.
Talapati Vijay or
Ajit's,
Thala Ajit sir or
uh,
any other
or any other,
whatever the movie we like, and of
yes.
course soon we are going to share our reviews on
Yes.
each and every movie
Every
whatever
movies.
we watch.
Yes, so we have a long list, like already made a long list. Marcel is there, then Aval is there, then a lot more is there, right?
Narkonda Parva
Narkonda
itself
Parva
is
is there. So yes, so there is a list. Actually, we will be
Right.
covering each and every list for you guys. So that would be very fun to share our views, full
Yeah.
movie reviews with you guys, because by that way, no, we feel like the communication is being better.
Yes.
We can be more, informative towards you,
Right.
and also you guys
people,
have shared.
people can connect
people
what
can
they
connect.
are thinking and
Yes.
what we are thinking.
Yeah.
Also many people can write their thoughts
Write
also
their
in
thoughts.
our comments.
That is very good actually. So we tried our best at explaining the whole movie concept
Yes.
at a precise way. We cannot put each and every line in the movie
Of course,
reviews.
that's a copyright issue.
That a copyright issue. But we think that you guys can able to
Whatever
understand
can
whatever
we share,
context we
yes, we have shared.
we are shared. Yeah, we are sharing. So thank you so much, Farooq, for watching and for commenting on our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, whoever have subscribed us and who watch our videos on a regular basis.
Yes.
That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.